opened this channel to teach two things. Number one is quant, and second is programming in C and C++. So I'll be telling you some tricks in mathematics for which you don't need any calculator and your calculation will be fast. I will be telling you how to start with programming and become an expert in the programming. So let's start with quantitative aptitude. Today I am going to tell you about how to do a square of a number without doing much calculations or with some easy calculations. So let's start with some numbers which end with 5. So like numbers like 15, 25, 35, etc. So let's take a number 35 and we'll square this number. So the trick is that first you see that this is 5. So you do the square of this, it will be 25. And whatever comes next in counting with the number which is preceding 5, that is number 3, the next in counting is 4. You multiply 3 by 4, it is 3 into 4 is 12. So your answer is 1225. Or similarly, we can do this for 45 or 55. Let's do this for 45 once again. So 5 square is 25. So next to 4 is 5 in counting. So 4 into 5 is 20. So this is a simple trick for numbers which end with 5. So what about other numbers which don't end with 5, like 42, 57, 43, or some other number 39, etc. So the trick is very simple for them also. Let's take 42. So the nearest number which is multiple of 10 and its nearest to 42 is 40. So you subtract the number, this 42 minus 40 is 2. So the thing is that 40 multiplied by 42 plus this number is 44, and then you add the square of this difference here. So it will be 4. The 0 will come as it is. Now multiplication is easy. 4 into 4 is 16. 1 carry. 4 into 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Now it is 1764. Simple, isn't it? So let's take 57 square. Nearest number which is divisible by 10 is 60, and 60 minus 57 is 3. So 57 plus 3 is 60, and 57 minus 3 is 54, plus square of this number 3 square. So it will be 9 here, plus 0 as it is. 6 into 4 24, 6 into 5 30, plus 2 carry 32, and this is 3249. So the square of 57 is 3249. So now we can connect these two tricks, like this trick without the number which are not ending with 5. This is a general trick and this is only for 5. So I'll tell you how this 5 trick comes out. So let's take a number 45. So then we make a square with using this trick. So the 45, the nearest number which is divisible by 10, completely divisible by 10 is 50 or 40. You can take any 50. Now 50 minus 45 is 5. So 45 plus 5 is 50. So we do minus 45 minus 5 is 40, plus square of this 5 here. So it will be 2000 plus 25. It will be 2025. So the trick here is that when you do the nearest number to any number which is ending with 5 will always contain two zeros in the end. So that's why what we did is the square of this number will come as it is, and the number which is previous to this 5, uh, and the number which will be multiplied with the number which comes next in counting with this. Because whatever you do, if you do 45 square like this, so 45 nearest number is 40, so you have minus 5 from 45. Now you will multiply this number with adding 5 here, so it will come say this same thing. The equation will be same like this, and that's why this trick works on the number which is ending with 5. And now you can take square of any number using this trick, and it's very simple, and I hope you like it, and please guys do subscribe.